In this video, I'm going to talk to you about scar camouflaging by the methods of permanent makeup. Scar or skin camouflaging is a form of medical or paramedical tattooing. A scar camouflage treatment can help people recovering from surgery and those with scars. Hi there, I'm Julia from Pigmenta Academy Cosmetics, and welcome to my channel, the #1 place for permanent makeup education, science, and inspiration. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button below, hit the bell, and turn on your notifications. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. Let's get started. Having a scar on your face or your body can be devastating for your overall well-being, and it will do a number on your self-esteem. This is a very specialized area of permanent makeup skill, as it requires advanced knowledge, experience, and training, as well as an eye for color and skin tones. Now this is a case where she had vitiligo and it affected her just right around the lips, and what I did was I did an outline matching her lip color, and then I did some skin camouflaging on the bottom, and then of course filled in the lips with the top. This lovely lady had a facelift done, and as you can see, it left her with some horizontal as well as vertical scars, and what I did was I just filled it in, and it blended quite nicely with her skin. This patient had a superficial abrasion on the skin due to a fall, and as a result, hypopigmentation developed, and I filled it in with skin color. This is a man who got a 3rd-degree chemical burn. After 3 sessions, I was able to match it to his skin. This was particularly difficult as the scar was atrophic and hypertrophic. This lady was born with a cleft palate. She received about 7 surgeries. A year after her last surgery, I was able to go in and reconstruct a lip for her, just using color. Although the success rate of these procedures are very high, often multiple procedures are required in order to complete the process. A consultation session is advisable at first in order to determine if scar camouflaging is an option for you. The technician will then decide if a patch test is needed. This will ensure the best color match and that it is deemed safe for the technician to move forward. Experienced scar camouflage artists will often have a rapport with the local medical community, so it is not uncommon that your doctor perhaps referred you to get this service done, as maybe all their methods are now exhausted. Now I would like to explain to you step by step how this is being done. So if you look closely at your skin, you can actually see that you have multiple colors: browns, reds, and flesh color. And all those colors make one color. So it makes sense to do this in layers, because if I just used one color, just the skin color, then it would end up looking like a band-aid. So instead, I used tiny little insertions of pigments, and I do this in layers, which means maybe the first layer I do a brown, then the second layer I do a red, And then lastly, I will use the skin flesh color. Layer by layer, the color is stacked on top of each other, and in the end, it will give the illusion of real skin. Once the initial procedure is done, subsequent visits should be scheduled after that. Although this seems like a lengthy process, this cannot be rushed because we have to make sure that the color develops well. Scar tissue, unlike healthy normal skin, is not flexible or smooth. Instead, it is distorted, mangled, sunken, or raised, and will most likely react different from normal healthy skin. I would say an average of 2 to 6 treatments is the norm. So patience is really important part of this process. So can anyone who has a scar get camouflaging done? I would say no. These are the exceptions that we call contraindications, in which we advise you not to move forward with this procedure. If you're interested in scar camouflaging and you have questions about it, please visit us at pigmentausa.com and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. If you have questions about this or any other permanent makeup procedures, please tell me in the comments below. I hope you liked this video and that it answered some questions regarding scar camouflage procedures. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you same time next week.